Question 13. We need to find the acceleration of the car during the first 25 seconds. So, acceleration is given by the gradient of ST graph. So if we want to find the acceleration, we need to find the gradient of the graph in the first 25 seconds. This is 25 seconds, and if we look at the graph, we can actually draw a right angle triangle which we can be used to find the gradient. So acceleration equals to gradient, and gradient is equals to the height, which is 20 meter per second. So we have 20 meter per second divided by the base, which is 25 seconds. So the acceleration is equals to 4 over 5 meter per second squared. 4 over 5 meter per second squared. Calculate the distance traveled by the car in the first 120 seconds. This is 120 seconds. So which means that we need to calculate distance traveled by the car from the beginning until 120 seconds. So we look at the travel graph and we can see a few regions where from here what we can see is that we have one trapezium and we have a second trapezium. So distance traveled is actually equals to the surface area. So in order to find the surface area, we need to find the surface area of trapezium 1 and trapezium 2. So for trapezium 1, the surface area is equals to 1 over 2 times the sum of the two parallel sides, where the first parallel side, the length is equals to 55 minus 25. 55 minus 25, which is equals to 30, plus the length of the second parallel side, which is 95 meter, plus 95 times the perpendicular distance between them, which is 20. So the area is equals to 125 times 10, which is equals to 1250. And trapezium 2, the area is given by 1 over 2 times 120 minus 95. So we have 10, 20, which is 25, plus 120 minus 65, which is 55, times the distance between them is 15. So here we have about 600 meter. So when we add them together, we have 1850. So the answer is 1850 meter per second.